Hello, thank you for watching this Williams aluminum railing deck assembly video. Prior to starting installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: miter saw with a sharp, non-ferrous, high-tooth count saw blade, cordless drill with a 6-inch No. 2 square drive bit, 2 4-inch to 12-inch ratcheting clamps, tape measure, level, pencil, safety glasses. Dec Panel Kits include the following items: top rail snap cover, pre-assembled rail panel, bottom rail snap cover, support leg, and all necessary hardware to attach the aluminum railing panel to 2 posts are included in the aluminum railing panel kits. The 45-degree wall attach kit is used when the railing comes off the building at 45-degree angle. This kit should not be used on the Williams 3-inch structural aluminum post. Thank you for watching this video. Please view our installation instruction videos on our website at williamsrailing.com. For professional advice, contact one of our experts at 855-742-7245.